This is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in Birmingham, Alabama, and often we're asked about garnishment. And specifically, people ask us, when a debt collector says that you will be garnished, is that legal or is that illegal? Well, a couple things to look at. If a judgment exists against you, then garnishing your wages or your bank account may very well be legal. Now, there are some exceptions based on you have certain type of exempt funds, certain type of Social Security funds. But as a general rule, if there's a judgment against you, then you are subject to being garnished. Now, if there's no judgment against you, then to garnish you would be illegal. To threaten you with garnishment would be illegal under most circumstances. Now, one big exception is federal student loans. There, the government does not have to go through the court to be able to garnish your wages. It does have to go through an administrative type hearing. So there still has to be an order or permission to garnish, but do keep that in mind. So here's where this comes up quite often is the collector will say, if you don't pay me today, I'm going to garnish your wages tomorrow. Or if you don't pay me $500 now, I'm going to go in and wipe out your bank account. Well, if they have a judgment and it is appropriate, then that will be fine. But normally they do not. It's merely a threat and it's a lie. And if we're talking about a consumer debt, not a business debt, but a consumer or personal debt, then that will violate the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. So if you're dealing with a collector that's making threats about garnishment, just like in any situation when you deal with a collector, take very good notes, document everything very thoroughly so that then you can have all that written out and you can think about it, you can study it, find out what your rights are. You can also sit down with the lawyer and say, this is what I was told. Such and such day, guy said he was going to come wipe out my bank account if I didn't make a payment. And then the lawyer can let you know if you have a valid lawsuit to put a stop to that. If you live in Alabama and you would like to talk with us, you can pick up the phone and call us 205-879-2447, or you can contact us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Thank you very much.